Mark the tile by dry fitting and tracing the exact shape where it will sit, then cut following that trace for a precise fit in odd laundry room angles. Begin by clearing the area and dry laying tiles so you can see how each one meets walls, pipes, and appliances. Use a carpenter square and a straight edge to transfer straight edges and a flexible ruler for curves. For irregular corners, hold the tile in position and scribe the profile with a pencil while allowing a small 1/4 inch gap for grout. If the space is less than that, adjust the layout to preserve joint width. Use a manual scoring cutter for straight cuts by aligning the tile, scoring once with consistent pressure, and snapping the tile on the cutter bed. For cuts that must be precise around obstructions, use a wet saw with a diamond blade and feed the tile slowly to avoid chipping. For tiny notches and irregular concave shapes, a pair of tile nippers works well, but remove small bits gradually and file the edge smooth with a rubbing stone to avoid overcutting. When working with porcelain, choose a blade and settings rated for dense material and keep the wheel cool with water to minimize microfractures. For ceramic, a standard blade and steady speed will suffice. Always label each cut tile on the back with its installation position using a permanent marker, so you can replace pieces quickly during adhesive installation and maintain the intended pattern. 3 common mistakes are measuring from the wrong reference point and producing a tile that is too short or too long, so always measure from finished substrate lines and double check by dry fitting before marking. A second error is forcing a tile into place without accounting for grout joint width, which causes stress and cracking, so leave the recommended gap and use spacers when setting adjacent tiles. Third, people often attempt complex curve cuts with a straight cutter, which leads to jagged edges. Use nippers for rough shaping and finish contours on a rubbing stone, or use a wet saw with a fine blade and a steady hand for smooth curves. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who bid on projects and share experience relevant to tasks like tile fitting in odd angles. We also host a discussion community where we and other users exchange tips, ask questions, and post photos so both homeowners and contractors can find help and work.